hating on me instead of pushing me away. Cause I think I can show you something that'll make you stay. I got a killer mindset when I jump around killing my set. And you gotta look away to keep from having our sex with me. I'll let you breathe, but I'll bet we'll leave to find a better location. No time wasted, we're out the back door. We're kissing in the rain and you got my mind racing. Now I can tell you one thing, whoa, whoa, and I can tell you two, whoa, whoa, oh, oh. When I'm flipping through my little black book, I keep coming back to you, coming back to you.